Hello friends, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will cover about the 94th Oscar Awards in 2022. Before we begin a quiz, first we discuss about when was the Oscar Awards started and the first film to be nominated for the Oscar Awards and the purpose of given these awards. In this video, we will also cover about the recent Oscar Awards given in 2022. From the exam point of view, these questions are very helpful for your upcoming competitive exams. So please listen these questions very carefully. So let's see about the Oscar Awards. Oscar Awards also known as the Academy Awards. ऑस्कर अवार्ड्स को एकेडमी अवार्ड्स भी कहा जाता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ऑस्कर अवार्ड्स की प्लेस पर एकेडमी अवार्ड्स गिवन होता है क्वेश्चन पेपर में, सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज्ड. And these awards is given every year by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Science. ये जो अवार्ड है हर साल दिया जाता है by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Science के थ्रू. And these awards were given first time in 1929. ये जो अवार्ड सबसे पहली बार दिया गया था 1929 में. In this award the winners give a gold-plated statue commonly known as the Oscar. इसमें जो gold-plated statue दिया जाता है उसी को हम ऑस्कर कहते हैं. Let's see about the purpose of given these awards. Their main objective is to honor the best person in the field of cinema. सबसे मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है ये ऑस्कर अवार्ड देने का, वो है बेस्ट पर्सन को देना इन द फील्ड ऑफ सिनेमा, जो सिनेमा की फील्ड में है. सबसे फर्स्ट ऑस्कर अवार्ड जो जीता था हमारे इंडिया से वो थे भानु अथेर इन 1983 में. एंड उनको जो अवार्ड दिया गया था वो फिल्म गांधी के लिए दिया गया था फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग द कॉस्ट्यूम. एंड द फर्स्ट इंडियन फिल्म जो नॉमिनेटेड हुई थी ऑस्कर अवार्ड्स के लिए वो थी मदर इंडिया इन 1957. लेट्स स्टार्ट अ क्विज. आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच एडिशन ऑफ ऑस्कर अवार्ड्स वाज हेल्ड इन मार्च 2022. आवर ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए 94th, ऑप्शन बी 92nd, ऑप्शन सी 91st एंड ऑप्शन डी इज 93rd. एंड आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज 94th. जो 94th ऑस्कर अवार्ड सेरेमनी थी वो हेल्ड करी गई थी 27 मार्च को एंड उसको ब्रॉडकास्ट लाइव करा गया था इंडिया में इन 28 मार्च को. आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर वॉज द 94th अकेडमी अवार्ड सेरेमनी और द ऑस्कर अवार्ड सेरेमनी हेल्ड. आवर ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए पेरिस, ऑप्शन बी न्यू दिल्ली, ऑप्शन सी लॉस एंजल्स, ऑप्शन डी न्यूयॉर्क. एंड आवर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज लॉस एंजल्स यूएसए. ये जो ऑस्कर अवार्ड सेरेमनी थी वो हेल्ड करी गई थी यूएसए के लॉस एंजल्स में. उसमें भी थिएटर था जो जिसका नेम था डॉल्बी थिएटर. आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु वॉन द टाइटल ऑफ बेस्ट एक्टर इन द ऑस्कर अवार्ड 2022. एंड आवर ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन ए टॉम क्रूसे, ऑप्शन बी विल स्मिथ, ऑप्शन सी जॉनी दीप, ऑप्शन डी ड्वेनी जॉनसन. And our correct option is option B, that is Will Smith got this award for the film King Richard. Our next question is who won the title of Best Actress at the Oscar Awards 2022. Our options are option A Jessica Chastain, option B Angela Jolie, option C Jennifer Lawrence and option D is Emma Watson. And our correct option is option A, that is the Jessica Chastain. Jessica Chastain got this award for the film The Eyes of the Tammy Faye. Our next question is which film was the big winner of the Best Film Award at the 94th Oscar Awards. Our options are option A The Batman, option B The Adam Project, option C The Kashmir Files, option D Coda. And our correct option is option D, that is Coda. And the film Coda, producers of film Coda is Philippe Rosslet, Fabrice Gianfermi, Patrick Wasberger, and the Coda film written and directed by the Sian Heder. This question is very important for your exam, so please learn this question carefully. Our next question is who won the Best Director Award for the film The Power of the Dog. Our options are option A Sergio Leone, option B Jane Campion, option C Rajkumar Hirani, option D none of these. And our correct option is option B, that is Jane Campion. And Jane Campion got this award for the film The Power of the Dog. Our next question is who has received the Best Supporting Actress Award at the Oscar Awards 2022. Our options are option A Jessica Chastain, option B Jennifer Lawrence, option C Ariana DeBose, option D Emma Watson. And our correct option is option C, that is Ariana DeBose. She got this award for the film West Side Story. Our next question is, which of the following category awards did the Troy Kotsur receive at the Oscar in 2022? Our options are option A actor in a supporting role, option B actor in a leading role, option C actor in a negative role, and option D is none of above. And our correct option is option A, that is the actor in a supporting role. Troy Kotsur got this award for the film Coda. Our next question is, which of the following is or are among the only Indian films to be nominated at the 94th Oscar Awards? Our options are option A Jai Bhim, option B Marakkar, option C Karnan, option D both first and the second. Our correct option is option D, that is both first and the second. Two Indian films that is nominated for the Oscar Awards 2022, that is the Jai Bhim and the Marakkar. Our next question is, which of the following won the Oscar for the Best Animated Short Film in 2022? Our options are option A The Windshield Wiper, option B Affairs of the Art, option C Bastria, option D Box Ballet. And our correct option is option A, that is the Windshield Wiper. Alberto Milko, who is the director of this film, and the Leo Sanchez, who is the producer of this film, got this award for the Windshield Wiper film. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel.